Hey guys, it's GasGamer001 here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Engraving and Printing Rubik's Cube. So yeah guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Bureau of Engraving and Printing Rubik's Cube that I got from the Bureau of Engraving and Printing gift shop. So it came in this little plastic case, and it has the faces that are on the money. So yeah, let's get into unboxing. Alright, so first turns on the Rubik's Cube. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like very sandy. It's almost like it's it's like it's blocky. I feel like it can, I mean, it's definitely, you can finger trick this thing. It's not, like, so bad, like dollar store cube bad. But, yeah, it's not that good. It's a picture cube, so, yeah, let's try an algorithm on it. So all that did was flip the centerpiece, so now, obviously, now this guy's got now the centerpiece just got flipped, so now we gotta do that algorithm again, because it's a picture cube, to get it back to solved. So technically, on a regular Rubik's Cube, that would solve it, but that's not solved. Oh man, I can already tell that when I'm solving this thing, this thing's gonna be really hard because the colors are very much the same. You can see on camera here the colors, they're pretty much the same except for the logo right here of the Engraving and Printing. So but yeah, I thought this would be a good video, and that was me unboxing the Bureau of Engraving and Printing gift shop Rubik's Cube.